All right, my friends, we have Amray United. Amray United. This is your jumbo box. Let's start with your silver pack. Oh no, that's crazy. You got an Acuna refractor, a little something something. So we've got an ultra short print, and it's blooper on Acuna's body. Okay, all right. Two on, two outs. Don't make it easy or anything. Freddie Freeman, Kyle Seager, and another Ronnie Dawson. Adam Frazier refractor. Wow, they pinch hit for Mancini. That can't feel good. Lars Nootbaar, blue rookie. Cool card. Lars Nootbaar. Right? Well, you know, who am I, right? But, yeah. Justin Verlander. Tony Santillan and Eli Morgan. Eli Morgan. Oh, holy crap. What the heck, bro? O'Neal Cruz. Juan Soto. Willie Castro. Right? That's exactly what I was thinking. What in the world? Bryce Harper, Giancarlo, Alex Wells, Blake Snell, Franny, Wander Franco, and Adolis. Yeah, that's not good. His nerves are killing him right now. That's great. That's great. They've already got 2 men on. They don't need 3. Trevor Rogers, Starling Marte, Manny Machado refractor, Vidal Brujan, Peyton Henry, Trevor Story, I'm living vicariously through you guys, so. Nico Horner. Nico Horner? Nico, no, that's only. Okay, I'm assuming that they've won now. Although nobody's officially told me. San Martin, been hitting him a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so they lose 1 at home, and they lose game 1 at home, so that's good. Now they no longer have home field advantage. Carlos Correa is a cheater. Teoscar. Dang, Royals. That's all right. This wasn't, I mean, it was at a loss, but it was more about getting stuff off the shelf. You know what I mean? So it's not like, it's not end of the world or anything. Be all right. I just needed to get some money in. Starling Marte, Manny Machado, Peyton Henry, Nico Horner. San Martin, Carlos Correa is a cheater. Kyle Seager, Ronnie Dawson, Lars Nootbaar, that's a cool card. Santillan, Eli Morgan refractor, O'Neal Cruz, Giancarlo, Alex Wells, Franny, Wander, and Acuna from the silver pack. And that, my friends, is Amray United. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. And let me save your video.